Technology and innovation are significant drivers in our present-day environments. But the immense possibilities for great and widespread change are made available to us when technology and innovation merge with education. This has been the vision of the founders of one of the leading universities in the country. Savitha University has constantly evolved to reach new heights, providing unparalleled quality to the masses and the students that study in the different colleges under the university.
Our vision is to set up standard of excellence in the professional education, and we should be the flagship institution for others.
Ranked number 3 among the top 20 universities in India, Savitha University has been recognized for setting standards of excellence in professional education and high-quality scientific research.
It's the best in India.
Located in the capital of Tamil Nadu, Chennai's Savitha University achieved the status of being a deemed university in 2005.
We have two campuses, one at Poonamalli, the other one is at Tandalam.
Our dental college is about 25 years old. Then came the Savitha College of Nursing and the Physiotherapy. And after the university was established, we had our medical college, the engineering college, the management school, and the youngest, of course, is the law school.
The university status was conferred to the institute to diversify and also improve the quality and the innovation in education.
With about 7,300 students enrolled in the medical and technical departments of Savitha University, the focus in academics has always been to provide holistic education.
Being a technical and a medical university put together, it gives a lot of avenues to innovate. So what we have is a lot of integrated biomedical courses.
When it comes to dentistry, there are only a few colleges that stand out. When I passed out after my undergrad, I could really see the difference in myself and my counterparts.
With the vision of a model dental college, the Savitha Dental College and Hospital in Chennai was started in 1988. The unique highlight for the college under the Savitha University is the early clinical exposure that the students have access to.
I'm very happy about it because it's like a preclinical experience which we have before entering our clinics.
The number of procedures done in an average dental college would be around 100 to 200, whereas our students would do around 1,100 procedures, which is almost 10-fold increase. In many colleges, they'll ask you to do a chart, they'll ask you to do a project. After some time, the charts get old, they throw it away. So instead, we ask them to start focusing on research papers. So we focus on giving them work that would give them an edge over other graduates for life.
Savitha Dental College and Hospital has put technology to use in its daily treatment, which is a boon to both the doctor and the patient.
We have the highest implementation of the technology. We have implemented the maximum technological facilities here, so that the students will have a feeling of working in industry.
The university has always believed in promoting quality education to convert a novice student into a competent expert in his or her field of study at par with global standards.
We get to work on patients. That's a big advantage. We would actually have more confidence.
Savitha Dental College is the only dental institution in Southeast Asia to have an integrated clinic, computer-aided design and computer-aided manufacturing or CAD/CAM, which is a revolutionary source of dental restoration, and the US-imported 3D printer at the Savitha Tessellation Center. This integration makes it one of the most versatile and formidable 3D design centers of the world.
An institution having a 3D rapid prototype model printer, it's definitely in Chennai, it's only Savitha.
We have used this to fabricate a novel approach to provide treatment for our patients here.
What we basically do over here is an innovation of a combination of three different technologies. That is basically the CBCT, that is the cone beam computer tomography, the 3D printer, and the CAD-CAM technology. So when a patient walks in, we take a scan or a CBCT scan of the patient's jaws and then print models of the jaws, and then via CAD-CAM we could then design the stent for placement of implants.
The university also boasts of a hybrid radiology unit. With advanced technology and subsidized costs, expensive treatments like dental implants are made available to the masses.
Undergraduate students are placing implants, and it's not just 1 or 2 implants. They're placing about 6 or 7 implants which they can plan. It may be a single tooth, it may be a full mouth. So it's up to them to select the case.
Everyone learns the theory is just by book. You need practical hands-on or at least observation to actually implement the materials that you read.
Most colleges only offer such facilities to postgraduate students.
They give a lot of freedom for us to think, execute also. Every other college they get to do at least 2 or 3, a postgraduate I'm talking about. Here undergraduates itself do 6 implants, postgraduates we do 30 implants.
Endodontics postgraduates at Savitha Dental College are the first in India to be equipped with state-of-the-art high-end operating microscopes.
Ours is the only dental college which has such an amazing infrastructure. Microscope, computer-aided technologies which we have only heard about initially, but we have not seen 10 years after I have graduated. My students who are using it and getting better at it, so nothing is a mystery for them. They don't have to imagine anything because they're actually using it, interacting with it, and giving better patient care than ever imagined in a dental college.
Savitha Dental College is the first in the country to not only have a dedicated oral cancer center, but also a tissue culturing facility focusing on the fast-evolving science of stem cell culturing and manipulation. Postgraduate dissertations form the backbone of research at the dental and medical colleges.
It's just not enough that they know their area, but they also have to have that analytical thinking. And that's what we mean by the spirit of inquiry. When they understand the community and try and work in favor of the needs of the community, automatically the research of inquiry also come in, and the research is based on the community needs. Therefore, research becomes very useful research.
The research component that we have in Savitha University is not available in any of the other colleges in the country. The scientific review board looks into all the scientific aspects, the methodology of the research that the person is doing. Every student have to publish one paper every term. So by the time a student graduates, he will have 15 publications under his belt.
Saving lives and sustaining humanity is more than just a mission at Savitha Medical College.
Now, this medical college is designed to produce a doctor who is better than the products of other colleges.
As a medical college and a hospital, our vision is to produce a wholesome individual, a wholesome physician who goes into the society with a social conscience.
Established in 2008 under Savitha University, Savitha Medical College has been a committed leader in medical education and in advancing human healthcare through the integration of education, patient care research and community service.
Apart from the subjects that they normally take in the first year, they have a clinical exposure.
If you take the clinical training as such, we make it very meaningful. A graduate in a medical college spends 5.5 years in the medical college. So each and every minute of it is structured so that the experience is wholesome.
We have various new innovative learning techniques
that is very unique to this institution. We have vertical integration teaching, and we have interdisciplinary student integration. We have case-based learning. It is basically a student-centered exploration of realistic and specific situations.
We have a group of students accompanying a clinician everywhere they go, so that they are involved in the treatment process. Also, our internship is structured in such a way that they do the required amount of procedures. So when they go out, he is equipped with a good clinical skills, a good theoretical knowledge, and with a good social conscience to face the challenges of the future.
We make it even more elaborate in terms of giving them opportunities, apart from the usual curriculum, chances to do research. They interact with the patients, they're given small projects, they go through the entire process of research methodology.
Popular with the rural population of the region and also catering to the health needs of the industrial workers and those residing in the vicinity.
Ours is a tertiary care hospital with even cardiothoracic surgery and neurosurgery inbuilt, and we have state-of-the-art radiology facilities like MRI, CT, and blood bank with the component license. We make patient-student interaction very, very important. We teach them professionalism, ethics, and communication skills in the first year, so that they are able to interact with the patients very well.
Innovation is key to education at the Savita Dental and Medical Colleges and Hospital.
I mean, you don't have to carry so many textbooks as we have the iPad system in our college. Everything goes into a single iPad.
We have to use technology to make students understand things much better. We are planning to make documentation very important for the students as well, so that they can make the clinical history, clinical notes, everything in the iPad, and which is linked to the hospital management software, so that we get to know on a regular basis what is happening to the patients.
Savita College of Physiotherapy has been ranked 3rd in the country. While established in 1992, Savita College of Nursing has to its credit 20 years of experience in nursing education. Both colleges are the largest establishments that provide quality clinical education to the students of nursing and physiotherapy.
It was a good experience for me that the teacher had used various methods of teachings like demonstrations and simulations, which makes me confident to perform actively in clinical settings. And small group learning methods, it helps us to think creatively and innovatively.
Savita University offers students programs at the undergraduate and postgraduate levels, with each college ceaselessly progressing towards achieving success in their fields. Established in 2006, Savita School of Engineering caters to over 3,000 engineering students with a curriculum designed to make engineering education more attuned to the demands of the working world.
Our objective is to prepare creative minds, because we feel engineering is all about innovation.
We have brought in a lot of innovation. Right from the first year, students are undergoing value-added programs, and they have to complete an innovative project end of every year. For about 40 hours they'll be in the classroom, and the remaining hours they spend at industries where they get to do the real-time projects.
The curriculum at Savita School of Engineering lays greater emphasis on hands-on training and market-oriented value addition programs.
Engineers are always innovative. We have to be new, we have to be creative. I'm getting more exposure in Savita University. Every field that I'm going to touch after I complete my degree, we've been given a training over here.
We have an excellent hands-on and value-added programs in our college.
Not only just we are making the students industry ready, but we are more focusing on the students' confidence level, and when they pass out, they can really go for an industry, or they can go for higher studies.
We encourage the students to convert their research works into publications and patents, and for every publication in Index Journal, we give them credits for that.
One of the most unique features of the Savita School of Engineering is their placement training cell.
We focus more on career-oriented job. The industry, it looks at a product which has to be saleable. We are just bridging the gap between the industry and the students.
We not only focus to training only towards the placement, but we want to give them lifelong skill. The number of hours that is limited for a faculty within a college. So we have taken this outside the college also. We have a e-learning platform using Moodle where we interact with the students. Apart from the classrooms, we take the classroom to their home also. So we have developed a lot of video lecture series. The students can see these video lecture series at home. We have a mentorship program where a particular set of students is assigned to a particular mentor. So the mentor completely is responsible for the development of those set of students. So at the end of the day, we ensure that this particular set of students are able to achieve the required criteria given by the companies.
There's a good relationship between the students and the teachers. You know, we have a portals, an online portals, which you can go to that portals and you can interact with any of the teachers after college. You have some questions, you can easily go online and you ask it to your teachers.
Early exposure to industry-style training helps students in the long run.
Our students recently have patented around 80 patents. They have registered 80 patents last year.
Learning is real fun and they are bubbling with ideas. All that we have to do is to tap these ideas and provide them a platform to convert these ideas into realities.
These projects are mainly targeting the society, to improve the society.
This is the original bot that we had made for the NASA Lunobotics mining competition. The main objective of the competition was to collect regolith in the mining area, which will be further used for robots that will be sent for Mars and other places.
Solar powered car. We use renewable energy as a major energy. So 2 panels we use to get an energy from sunlight. We will save it by using 2 batteries available in the front. We remove diesel engine. We won't use any conventional fuel here. We can avoid global warming, everything by means of using solar car.
Established and known nationwide, the university has fortified its place globally by signing MOUs with established international universities offering dual degree programs.
It is open to all students. Students have to spend 2 years at Savita School of Engineering and 2 years they spend at the foreign universities abroad, and that way they get 2 degrees, one from Savita and one from the university abroad.
The youngest of the colleges to be established under Savita University is the Savita School of Law, credited to being one of the first private law schools in Chennai.
This institution was started to make it as a unique institution. We follow the trimester pattern in strict sense.
College is following the National Law School syllabuses. Every 80 days we have a trimester university examination.
With access to a moot court, students of Savita School of Law stand tall among students from other premier law colleges.
For a student, it is very much required that argumentative skill has to be developed right from his studying the legal provisions, because it is very helpful in future when he is practicing in a court.
They allow you to think beyond the textbook. They help us argue in such a way that we develop an inbuilt, it becomes like an inbuilt quality.
The kind of learning I've had here has helped me develop my skills.
Savita School of Management has been a passionate venture for the founders of the Savita University.
Savita School of Management is one of the best business schools in Chennai, not only in Chennai but all over India.
They are making us to do practice, in practice, not in general theory or lecture. This is a very big plus point in Savita School of Management.
Following the university's vision, the main focus of Savita School of Management is to make the student industry ready.
Normally, in case of MBA, they do only one project. Here, they will do 4 projects. We will put focus on improving the skills of the students which are matching with the requirements of the industry. The learning, it is a continuous learning and experiential learning.
We are provided with various activities which provides practical exposure to us. We do have interactions with topmost CEOs and management professionals, and our unique curriculum of Savita School of Management is designed in such a way where we get more practical exposure and industrial exposure than any other MBAs.
Our MBA has been having 100% placement consecutively for the past 3 years.
The pupil school at the Savita University campus also follows the methodology of activity-based learning for its students.
Children are like seeds. They have endless potential within them. We aim to give up a very stimulating environment for them to explore all the possibilities, to learn by exploring.
Learning becomes absolutely enjoyable because it's all activity based.
For over 26 years, Savita University has been providing support and quality education to lakhs of students, reaping the fruits of labor every year to become one of the leading universities of the country, constantly evolving to reach newer heights.